Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to allow everyone to see your Facebook profile photo. Whether you're looking to expand your online presence or just want potential friends to see your best selfie, this update is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Facebook app on your Android device. This is where all the magic begins. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, tap on your profile picture again to enter your profile view. Here, you'll have a chance to get a closer look at your existing profile picture. To proceed, tap on See Your Profile Picture to open it fully. Once you've got your picture open, look at the top right corner for 3 dots. Give those dots a tap. This will bring up more options related to your profile picture. From this menu, select Edit Privacy to change who can see your photo. Now comes the important part. You'll need to select Public. By choosing this option, you're granting access to everyone. So be sure you're comfortable with that before you confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your Facebook profile photo is now visible to everyone. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media.